Where's your help? It's a one-man help. both hulls basically have a second coat of primer on them. That's where we're at right now. I think that's all I'm gonna do, just 2 coats of primer, and then sand it lightly, and then do a finishing coat of this polyurethane top coat. Unfortunately, this is as far as I got this summer. I would have liked to be working a little bit more and to at least have gotten the paint finished and maybe thrown on an little outboard trolling motor, but that's fine. I've been working on this project for a long time, and you guys accept when things aren't going to your deadline, I guess. Or I guess you can't make a deadline because you never know what's going to happen. But for those of you who don't know, because a lot of people seem to be asking in the comments, I am a student at university, so I'm actually leaving to go there today, but I'll try to do some work on it over breaks, try to maybe do the paint, because I, like you, want to see this project done and try to get it sailing quickly, but it's just my schedule hasn't been working out the best to work on it all the time, and I'm not here all the time to work on it, so I'm just gonna try to get it done as soon as possible, and who knows how long that will take. Yeah, that's about it. I don't have time to work on it all the time, but I'm trying to get it done as soon as possible. And yeah, I guess just if you would like, watch our other YouTube videos in the meantime, but probably the next big episode after this will be coming sometime next summer, unfortunately. Then, I mean, it will not take me long to put on the top coat of paint, so I guess maybe in like November, December, I can post a video about that. But once I start like putting an engine on or rigging it for sailing, like trying to find a mast and stuff like that, that will have to wait until next summer, most likely. But yeah, I do plan on sailing this at some point. I don't really want to make a mast or a sail, so I think I'm just gonna buy whatever I can find, like some used sail and rigging. But at some point, you guys will see this undersail in the ocean. And I want to just say thanks to everyone who's watched this video and commented about it. I honestly did not think, as you can see, our channel's like has 200 subscribers, and this is like the second or third video we made, and I just thought, oh yeah, like it'll get maybe 100 views. People won't really care about it, but I guess there's like a really big community about wooden catamarans on YouTube, because I never would have expected this much support from just any of our videos, really, and I'm really glad that people are enjoying it as much as I am, because as much as I struggle to motivate sometimes to sand, I still do enjoy building it a lot. So I guess stay tuned.